Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure your Android is on Wi-Fi or a reliable mobile connection because updates can be large. Once done, free 200 MB to 1 GB of storage so updates won't fail mid-install. Next, open the Google Play Store and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. Otherwise, updates may not show. This gets you to the place where you can view app updates immediately without wasting time on unrelated settings. You now navigate Play Store Profile Manage Apps and Device because that shows pending updates and storage impact. Once there, tap Updates Available. You can choose Update All to speed things up or select individual apps to view permission changes and release notes. Make sure to inspect the app size and any new permissions so you know why the update matters. If an app requires a major upgrade, consider updating high-priority apps first to keep core services stable, while others continue. You finish by confirming each app shows open or updated, and then launch the app to verify normal behavior. If something still misbehaves, restart the app or the device. Simple reboots often resolve version glitches. When an update fails, clear Play Store cache and storage, then remove and re-add your Google account before retrying. This fixes many sync problems. If errors persist, check storage and network, or consider obtaining a previous APK from a trusted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.